Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to sell product from CJ Dropshipping to Wed2C. So for you to be able to sell your product from CJ Dropshipping to Wed2C, here's a quick guide on how to do that. So the first thing you have to do is create an account. So to create an account, make sure you have an account on both CJ Dropshipping and Wed2C. And after that, link your CJ Dropshipping account to your Wed2C account for seamless integration. And after that, browse through your CJ Dropshipping product catalog and select the product you want to sell. After that, use the Wed2C platform to list an selected product, setting your desired price and profit margin. After that, share your product links on your social media channel or website to attract customers. And after that, when customers purchase products through your link, Wed2C will handle the order, fulfillment, and shipping. And after that, by following this step, you can easily start selling products from CJ Dropshipping on Wed2C platform. And that's it. Find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more. Thank you.